Fix AMD_AGS_X64.DLL missing or not found error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Reinstall the affected app. One of the easier ways of fixing missing DLL errors is by reinstalling the affected software. Note that you also should delete related files in folders such as %program data % and %app data %. If that didn't work, Fix 2. Repair file corruption. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, Fix 3. Scan your system for malware. While the AMD_AGS_X64.DLL missing or not found error can stem from various sources, one potential cause is the presence of malware on the system. Certain types of malware are known to disguise themselves as DLL files or corrupt them to disrupt system functions. Fix 4. Update your drivers. The missing DLL file is related to AMD, so we recommend trying to update your GPU drivers. Fix 5. Try System Restore. With System Restore, you can bring the system to an earlier date. You won't lose your personal files in the process. Pick the time before the problem occurred and click Next. Follow the prompts to finish the process.